Hi, this is Billy Tarasio with Modern Law Practice. And we are just coming off of our company retreat that we did last Friday. Every quarter, we do a retreat at Modern Law that is a half day or a full day off-site for the purpose of checking in on high level, checking out of our cases, checking into what's going on around us and with one another. There's almost always some sort of like angst or buildup that comes when we're gearing up for this retreat. People know that it's their opportunity to be heard, and it has a similar format each time. But once a year, well, actually twice now, we do something really special and really different. We always kick off the retreats with a segue of what's the best business and personal news over the last 90 days, what's working and not working in the organization. It's a great way for your team to put issues in front of you that maybe you're not aware of. And it's a great way to open up a retreat. But what we did next, usually we'll do some sort of an employee engagement survey. But what we did this time was we had each member of the firm tell every other member in the firm what their greatest strength and greatest weakness was to the organization, or is to the organization. We've done this one other time. It sounds really scary, but it's something that they really, really enjoy. And it's something that breaks down boundaries and things that have been built up and really allows people to recognize one another. What almost always happens is you'll have some people in your firm who feel like rock stars, who maybe feel like they're better than other people, and some people who feel inadequate. And when we go through this exercise, we get to recognize each person's unique contributions to the firm. Because not everybody's the same. Somebody might be a billing machine, but somebody else might be there to just be very nurturing and very mentoring. And to get to hear from other people in the firm how much that means to them is really crucial, really important. It took 3 hours for us to do that this last Friday with our team of 11, because each person took basically 60 seconds for every other person. It's a long exercise, but I got to hear feedback from my team that maybe I wouldn't hear otherwise, or that they might not give me otherwise, about what they like from me as a boss, as a leader, things that they wish I would do differently, things that they think are great, ways that I've impacted their life. And every single person gets to do that. It's a very powerful exercise. And if there's any animosity or any angst between your teammates, it'll almost crush it, just completely like break it down, and makes your team closer than it could be if you don't do uncomfortable things. So think about incorporating that into your next quarterly retreat. If you don't have quarterly retreats, you should think about doing it. It'll change your firm. And if you have questions on how to do that, let me know.